All right, hi guys. Today we're going to go backwards a little bit. So we're going to go backwards a couple pages, and you're going to go on the page at the very top. If you can see that, it says Lesson 14 Sprint. Okay, and at the bottom of the page number is 1.E.7. Okay, 1.E.7. So what you're going to do on this one is just get some extra math kind of practice. All right. So these sprints, what we're going to do is we're going to do each side for 5 minutes. Each side for 5 minutes, and you are going to stop at 5 minutes and stop wherever you're at. So if you do this for 5 minutes, you might need a parent or someone to help you time, keep track of the time. Otherwise, you can look at the clock and do it for 5 minutes on each side, okay? So some of you might get all the way done in 5 minutes. Maybe you start at number 1, and you get all the way to number 44 before the timer goes off. Great job. Otherwise, some people might only get to number like 15 after 5 minutes. Kind of just depends on how comfortable you are with this and how much more practice you need. Okay, so I'm gonna write this at the top as a reminder. So you're gonna do each of these pages just for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. So you can stop when the timer goes off. All right, so I'm going to write it all the way out. 5 minutes. So you do not have to do any more after 5 minutes on this page. So if you only get to number 23 and the timer goes off for 5 minutes, don't do 24, 25, 26, and the rest, okay? If you're an in-person learner, I'm going to check this page and see how far you got. Try to do this on your own. Try not to have much parent help because I want to see how far you can get, okay? 5 minutes, stop. And if you want to, you can even have someone check your answers, and they can put how many you got correct up here. Otherwise, I will do that when I check it the next time you're in person. If you're a remote learner, I'll check that when I have it, when I'm able to. Okay, so you're gonna do that for each. So basically, all you have to do is just 2 times 3, find the answer, put it here. You might need to get a scrap sheet of paper if you need it, and you can draw pictures to help you skip count. Just remember multiplication is basically skip counting for this one. You're going to count by 3s 2 times or 2 3 times, and then write your answer here. So there's some division mixed in there as well. So divide and multiplication. All right, so you're going to do this first side. Has a letter A over here, if you can see that. Letter A. You're going to do that for 5 minutes, and then you're going to flip it over on the back side. You're going to do the same exact thing with letter B. All right, whoops. So letter B, okay? 5 minutes on this side. So really, today's math lesson should only take you 10 minutes. 5 on the front, and then 5 on the back, and then you are done. So kind of a quick one, all right? And then if you're an in-person learner, I will check your work when you get back to school, okay? 5 on one side, 5 on the other. Try to do it all on your own. Not much parent help, okay? So on the B side, you're multiplying and dividing by 3s, and on this side, you are doing the same thing, dividing by 3s, just kind of different way on each side. All right, do your best, and I will talk to you all later. And once again, there's no homework page today, just the 2 sprints. So the sprint A, sprint B, starting on page 1.E.7, and on the back side, 1.E.8. 1.E.8. You'll have to go back a couple pages from the other day. All right, 1.E.8 and 7. All right, talk to you all later. Bye.